Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. We have done two types of bead. The last video we did this type of design and this design. This is the two that we did last. So today we are going to be doing this two design today. We are doing this two design of ring, coral ring today. We are doing two designs today. So let's start with this. So we are going to be using fish 9.5. You've got a reasonable length, let me say 1/2 inches. We'll be using this round coral bead, 8 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we now take it to the center. Then you tie 2 or 3 times. It should not be too tight or too loose, just moderate. Don't forget, I'm treating this type of style. So let me tie it one more time. So we use one of the fish line to go inside to tie inside to 2. We take 2. We will now take the small round one. We are using 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. We take 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8. So we go in between. We divide to 2, 4. Go in between. And you see, this is 4. We tie one more time. And you know this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've used this to come to the center. This one in the center. Then we now put 4. We take it round. Put 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like the other one I did. But the bead is just the difference. It's not the same. You can use 5, you can use 6, depends on how long or how big you want the ring to be. Take it round again. So now put 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see? Then this will come to the center. Can you see? So I want to do the ring. So it's so easy for you. It's so easy to do. You can come out with your own design. You can come out with your own design. It's so easy. So easy. And if you have any questions pertaining to this or to any other, just let me know. Drop it at the comment box. So we want to get the circle that we tie to the finger. We make sure this one comes to the hand, to the center. We tie the two fish lines together. Let them come to the center. Should be at the center.
So when I tie to the center, we arrange the small ones, 7 or 8, depends on how big your finger is. So let me quickly teach us how I did this one. So we take a considerable fish line that you can maneuver, let me say half inches. And you take the coral bead 4, actually you'll be using 5. Let's take 4, take it to the center. Then you now tie gently. You tie. I tied 3 times. So I now pull it out. The first one was like this. Now I want it to give me this shape. I want this shape. So I will now introduce one to the top. I will introduce this one to the top. So this one will come on top of it. Then you tie gently. Check to the center. You tie. So this is what is going to give us. Let's see. You now take this one round. Then we now introduce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And let it come around. Let's take it round to this place like this. You can tie it down. Can you see the way I'm tying it down? Then this one, we use it to go to the other side. So you take it inside like this. Then you now introduce 5. It's not quite a bit 5 of it. Five. You see. So easy to do. So we want to get the one that will go around the, so make sure you tie this to the center. It should come to the center. So the first one, this is where I stopped at the center. So this is it. So let me continue with this. I've tied this one to the center, this one to the center. And I'll pick 5-5 to end it, or 6-6, 7-7, depends on how big your finger is. Generally, you can use 6, 7, 13. I think that one will be the general measurement for everybody. 6, 7, 13 or 12. So easy to do. Let me add one more. So you can come up with your own design as well. You can come up with your own design. So this is it. This is it. Two, 3, 4. If you are doing for a child, you know they have smaller fingers, you can use 5-5, 4-4, depends on their. So let me say I'm doing for a girl of 5. This should be okay, and if it's not okay, you add more to it. You add more to it. So if you have any question, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your question on the comment box. Surely I will answer you. So I will be ending the video here. Hope to see you next time. Can you see? So lovely. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Do your own and let me see. Do your own and drop it. Drop the link. I will come there and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Can you say so lovely? Thank you.